walking into the Riverwalk trails. The Shannon Village is over there. Further back into the Riverwalk trails is the coke ovens. If you guys don't know what the coke ovens are, it's a part of this town. This road here, this little pathway, this wasn't like this back in like the 1900s or whatever. Right here, this was a railroad track. But since then, they covered over the pavement. See the beauty of this. And you can see the water right there. That's the Neshannock Creek. If I get close to this a little bit. Like right there, Neshannock Creek. Back further into the Riverwalk, there's like this quarry, or whatever it is. I'm trying to think. There's like this little spot that where people back in like the 50s, 60s, 1900s and all that stuff. Back in the 50s, I think, I could be wrong. I don't know my history of Newcastle, but there's this little area. It used to be a swimming hole for like people to go. It was like a beach. El Rio Beach is what it's called. If you don't know what El Rio Beach is, you can just like Google it, say what is El Rio Beach, and it'll tell you the history of El Rio Beach here and the Riverwalk. Well, I'm gonna be silent for half of this video so you guys can see and hear the nature and hear the water. So I'm gonna go silent. I'm not gonna go further and deeper into the Riverwalk. I'm just trying to show you like tidbits of what it is, because I'm by myself. Because when you come out here, if it's during the day, you just come out here by yourself, but you just have to watch out for other people coming this way. There's a Neshannock Creek down there. This is a good fishing spot too down here. Most people come down here, fish. We have trout. Sorry if my voice sounds a little hoarse. I'm sick. I'm sick and I'm trying to get over the sickness. There is a little waterfall up here. I'll show you that too when we get further. I don't know what this crap is, but step over it. Has more tidbits of the creek. Let's see, I'll zoom in for you. One place I do want to explore is Centralia, PA, known for the coal mine fire underneath the ground, said to be. Sometimes you'll see deer out here in the woods, but I don't know how long this video is going to be, but it'll probably be a little long. Alright, okay. Right up there is where it's supposed to be the little waterfall, but there's nothing coming out of it because it hasn't rained and the water and all that stuff. You just see that up there. I'm gonna try to show you guys the coke ovens, but with it being so like overgrown here because it's summertime, but in the fall, when you come here in the fall, like when the leaves start changing, the leaves start falling, you should see some of them falling, you'll start to see some change and differences over here. Alright, here's where we're getting close to the coke ovens. I just watched there's fucking spider web. Where are they at? They're hidden. No, they're over here. Right over here in this area, can't see it because it's all overgrown, are the coke ovens. Right there is one of the coke ovens that are here in Newcastle. There's one here. There's one here. I know that. There's that one up there if you can see it. And then I know there's one here. There's more along this way, I think. Yeah, because if you look up the history of Newcastle, Pennsylvania, it'll tell you about the coke ovens. Alright. That's one of them. I think there's more this way. I think. Try to look. It's not, they're all overgrown and covered with dirt from people being back here. Yeah, there's some along this way. Because if you go further back into the Riverwalk, there is a building out here. You go further away past, you're gonna go through the woods, climb over this big ass tree. But show you guys what this is. Why does this touch you or anything? Okay, here's the rest of the coke ovens. There's 1, 2, 3, and then there's 4. Possibly there's 5 here. And there's one right there with a tarp over it. Somebody must be like sleeping under there, so yeah, here's the coke ovens. I just wanted to show you guys what the coke ovens are, because when I say, oh, Newcastle's got coke ovens, they're thinking like cocaine and all that shit. But no, coke ovens. Because when this town was booming, before it turned to shit now, what it is, when this town was booming, they had coke ovens. These coke ovens would be used to make coke, I think. Some people were like, what are coke ovens? Well, you're looking right at it. So when you come out here by yourself, you always gotta make sure you check your surroundings, because there could be people in these woods like hunting and stuff over here. Yeah, there's some coke ovens for you guys. Have some pictures of them. All right. You guys got to see, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so you can fully see it. Okay, well, this is Aussie Fan 101 signing off. All right, you guys have to see what the coat ovens are and part of the Riverwalk.